JT here with New England Auto and Truck, parting out a 2014 Subaru Crosstrek, stock number N01472. Has 55,000 miles on it. Runs great. Front end's a little smashed up, as you can see. However, most of the vehicle is in great shape. Front end here do have one good front headlight right there. Moving up the left side of the vehicle. Left front knee is complete with the control arm spindle and strut. Right knee is a little beaten up from the collision. 000 left front door right there. Good working mirror, no turn signal. Half hour of damage, a little bit of gouge there on the lip of the left rear door. Other than that, in great shape. Got a 000 left quarter panel here and a good looking quarter window. Moving to the rear of the vehicle. About a half hour of damage on the lid gate as well. Another gouge. Bumper cover not in the best shape, but the rebar underneath should be in good condition. Two good quarter mounted taillights right there, right hand and left hand. Moving up the right side of the vehicle, got a 000 quarter panel, as you can see. Looking good. Right rear door all smashed in, window gone. Right front door. About an hour of damage on the lip and about a half hour of damage with a little bit of a dent right next to the lip, mostly from the collision up here. Do have three good wheels. One in the back right and two on the left side. Get you to the interior of the vehicle here, rev the engine a few times for you and show you the interior. Give you a little look here at the dash components. Radio, heater control, floor shifter, console. Got two good front seats here and a good rear seat as well. Trim panels, both front trim panels are in good condition. Low mileage here with the 55,000. Vehicle, besides the front end where the collision happened, is in good condition. Again, it's a 2014 Subaru Crosstrek, stock number N01472. If you have any questions, give our sales guys a call.